Hello guys, welcome to another week. You are nearly done and we have been learning so many special sounds, so join me as we learn some more this week and I'll teach you our new one at the very end. Ready, begin. W in whale, W-H. H in who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. In lamb, M-B. U in flu and oo in few, E-W. And the one we're going to learn today is E in rainy, Y. E in rainy, Y. You may have seen this before, but this ending of Y comes after a root word. And if you remember what root word is, a root word is when it's the word that you start with. So if we covered up that Y, this is a word all by itself. Rain, rain. And then if you add the suffix Y at the end, it makes it a whole nother word. So instead of the rain, it's weather that is rainy. So Y is our suffix we're learning today. So let's say it together. E in rainy, Y. Try it again. E in rainy, Y. Nice work. Now let's go ahead and take out that piece of paper and pencil and let's write down some words. And I want you to underline the root word and circle the suffix Y, okay? So here's our first one. Pause the video if you need to and write this word down. Okay, let's check your work and see how you did. Did you underline the root word? Now, if you cover up that Y, this is a word. So underline that word and then we'll sound it out. So, all right, is this what you did? Nice job. Okay, let's sound it out. We've got sleep, sleep, sleep. At night, I go to sleep. That's a whole word, but if we add the suffix Y, E to it, then let's see how it sounds. Sleep, E, sleepy, sleepy. At nighttime, I get very sleepy. Now go ahead and use the word sleepy in a sentence. When do you get really sleepy? Is it after lunchtime? Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and do another one together. All right, pause the video, underline the root word, and then circle the special sound that you see. All right, let's check your work and see how you did. Now, if you cover up the Y at the end, that makes a word. But if you add the suffix Y, then it makes a new word. So let's find out what that word is. All right. Is this what you did? Awesome if you did that. Now let's sound it out. We've got S, A, S, an, sand, sand, sand. That's a word. That's our root word. That's the word we're starting with. Now let's go ahead and add the Y. Sand, E, sandy, sandy, sandy. That makes a whole new word. My feet got really sandy when I went to the beach this weekend. Sandy. Now you go ahead and use the word sandy in a sentence. Awesome job. Let's do another one. All right, go ahead and pause the video, and when you do that, I want you to underline the root word and circle the special sound. Nice job. Let's check your work and see how you did. All right, is this what you circled and underlined? If you did, nice work. Let's sound it out. Remember, this is a D. Ooh, and there's a IR, which means that's a bossy R for my friends who are in my class to remember. If there's an R that comes after a vowel, that bossy R tells that vowel what to say, and it sounds like an R instead. So, d-ert, d-ert, dirt, dirt, dirt. That's a word. That's a root word. Now let's add the Y. Dirt-y, dirty, dirty, dirty. My mom makes sure that we clean our dirty dishes after we eat. It's good to clean up after ourselves. Dirty. Now you go ahead and use the word dirty in a sentence. Good. All right. Let's do one more together. Right. All right, go ahead, pause the video and write this one down, then underline the root word and circle the special sound. All right, how did you do? Let's check your work and see how you did. All right, is this what you underlined and circled? Good. Now let's check it and read it. And we know that the IGH right here says I, like I in night. So let's be careful with that we don't sound out that G. It's silent. So m, I, t, m, I, t, might, might, might. My God has a lot of might, but let's add the Y and find out what word it is. Mighty, mighty, mighty. Remember the song we learned in school, My God is so big, so strong, and so mighty? God is so big, there's nothing he can't do, and he can take care of you. He is mighty. So go ahead and use the word mighty in a sentence. Nice, I love it. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson. We learned all about our suffix, E in rainy, Y, and please join us in our next video tomorrow where we learn a new special sound. And until then, bye-bye, guys.